If you're a music creator, you already know the struggle. You've got the tracks, but you don't have a visual brand strong enough to release them as a complete album. That usually leaves you with two options. You either spend thousands of dollars hiring a creative agency, or you spend all your time trying to figure out complicated design and editing software, when you should really be in the studio making music. Hiring a creative agency to develop your visual identity and launch campaign could easily cost thousands of dollars. We're talking about visual branding, album artwork, music visualizers, tour posters, promotional videos, social media assets, and all that jazz. And even after spending that money, the process could still take weeks of mood boards, meetings, revisions, feedback rounds, and back and forth emails before you actually receive anything usable. But today, I'm going to show you how to build your entire album marketing campaign yourself using AI by connecting Higgsfield MCP with Claude Fable 5. This setup allows you to generate and coordinate high-end images and cinematic videos directly inside a single chat. So let's get everything set up. And don't worry, it only takes about 30 seconds. Go to your Claude AI dashboard and click on your profile name in the bottom left corner. Open Settings. On the left-hand menu, you'll see a tab called Connectors. Click on that. Now, look for the button that says Add Custom Connector. In the name field, I'm going to simply type Higgsfield. For the URL, enter exactly this. Now, hit Add, and you should see a new Higgsfield card appear inside your connectors. Next, click the Connect button on that card. A pop-up will appear asking you to sign in to your Higgsfield account. Once you authorize the connection and click Allow, Claude and Higgsfield will officially be linked. And that's it. You're ready to start creating. Okay, now we're inside a brand new chat thread. Before typing anything, look for the little plus icon or tools icon next to the chat bar. Click it, open the connectors section, and make sure the Higgsfield toggle is on. Everything is now connected and ready, so let's get started. For context, let's say I'm an AI music creator. I've created 6 electronic disco tracks, and now I want to release them as a complete album. I've already chosen the name Don Casanova for my AI artist, and the album is called Second Seating, but that's all I got. I don't have any artwork, a visual identity, a character design, or a proper marketing plan. So from this point forward, I'm going to let Claude Fable 5 and Higgsfield build this entire thing for me from scratch. First up, I'm going to explain the situation to Claude and simply ask it for help. Now, let's enable the latest Fable 5 model and hit Enter. And look at that. Claude is already building the creative foundation for the entire project. The lead direction is called The Midnight Maitre d'. It's proposing a 1979 Italian disco aesthetic, but reimagined as if it existed in the year 2080. Warm, sophisticated, futuristic, and nocturnal. It's also suggesting a full-color palette and a visual direction for Don Casanova. And honestly, this is already pretty creative. I don't have to sit here guessing which visual direction might work. I'm simply following the creative lead of the AI. Now, we need to bring Don Casanova to life. For that, I need a complete character design that can represent this artist across the entire album campaign. So I'm typing a prompt for that based on the identity that Claude provided. Claude is now requesting permission to generate images through Higgsfield, so let's allow it. And here we are. We've been given 4 different character concepts, all presented with this premium Vogue cover style presentation. Wow, these are crazy. Every single one feels extremely stylish, confident, and visually connected to the world we just created. I think I'm gonna go with this first one here. The look, the styling, and the overall vibe on that is just on fire. Now that I've chosen the main character, I need to lock down the design. So, I'm going to ask Claude to create a full character sheet for this specific version of Don Casanova. Here's the prompt. Generate a full-body character sheet for Don Casanova, showing front, side, and back views with a neutral pose and clear studio lighting. And here we go. Interestingly, Claude didn't just hand over the result. It told me exactly what to check before approving it because face details can drift when a model has to hold the same identity across 3 different angles. So Claude isn't only being creative here, it's also being upfront about where these tools can slip. And yes, I can see that there is a slight difference in the facial structure. But overall, the character still feels completely aligned with the vision I had in mind, so I'm going to approve it and continue. As soon as I confirm, Claude begins creating a full batch of reference images, which will help establish Don Casanova as a permanent character identity for the entire project. And once again, all of these images look insane. We've got close-up portraits, standing shots, seated poses, different camera angles, and a range of expressions. But everything is still wrapped inside the same premium, cinematic visual style. However, you can see that one of the images got rejected along the way, as it was auto-flagged by the content filter. Claude says that soul training needs a minimum of 5 images, which we still have, so I'm going to confirm these reference images, and now the Soul ID training process begins. It takes a couple minutes to bake, and then Don Casanova exists permanently. One unique ID I can drop into the album cover, all 6 track visuals, and every single promo clip after this. Okay, the training is now complete. Don Casanova is officially locked in. Now it's time to start building the actual campaign assets. Claude is asking me for some information about the 6 tracks, so I'm going to provide the track details and ask it to begin creating the album artwork. And here we are. These covers look great. They capture the atmosphere and completely nail the theme we established earlier. However, I also need the actual album title to appear on the artwork. So I'm going to ask Claude to add the album name to the cover. And yeah, that looks great. All right. Now it's time to create the visual loops for the music. I'm telling Claude, I have 6 tracks on this album. Create 6 unique visualizer loops, 10 seconds each, matching the electronic disco mood. Use the same character and the same visual identity we just locked in. Now, watch the sidebar. The assets are beginning to populate in real time. Visualizer 1, Visualizer 2, Visualizer 3, and they just keep appearing. I'm not switching between different tools, opening multiple tabs, or manually moving files from one platform to another. Claude is planning the scenes and movements, while Higgsfield is handling the actual rendering. This is the automated pipeline in action. And here we are. Let's check them out. Man, these are awesome. The lighting, the atmosphere, the charisma, and the overall visual direction are all perfectly aligned with the album. Most importantly, Don Casanova remains consistent across every generation. The face, wardrobe, attitude, and overall identity are all maintained, and the animations themselves are incredibly smooth. Next, I want to create the tour posters. So I'll use this prompt, posters for different city tours. And look at that consistency. It has preserved his face, his outfit, and the entire brand color palette across 3 completely different locations. At the same time, each poster still feels unique to the city it represents. The Amsterdam poster has the retro arcade environment. The New York version places him inside a stylish rooftop lounge, and the London design uses a neon-lit street scene. Those customized backgrounds are a really nice touch because the posters feel connected as a campaign without looking like the exact same image repeated 3 times. Now, for the album launch, I also want to create a couple of promotional reels. I'm going to ask for 2 short cinematic videos showing Don Casanova moving through the different environments we've created. Let's see what it creates. That is seriously impressive. The pacing is fast, but it still manages to maintain that feeling of elegance and sophistication. And just as we requested, both reels end with promotional call to action text encouraging viewers to pre-save the album. However, I will say that I wish the second reel was a little smoother. Some of the transitions felt slightly disjointed compared to the first one, but overall, both videos are still usable, and the visual quality is excellent. Finally, I'm going to ask Claude to help me draft the social media launch campaign. Here's the prompt. Write a 5-day tweet schedule to build hype for the album. Use the Don Casanova persona and give me the captions for all 6 tracks. And look at that. Claude has created a complete 5-day posting schedule, along with captions for all 6 tracks. Everything is written in the same personality and tone we established for Don Casanova. I didn't need to be a copywriter. I didn't need to sit there brainstorming social media captions for hours. I simply explained what I needed, and Claude created a complete campaign that stays consistent with the artist and the visual world we've built. And just like that, I created a professional, cohesive visual marketing campaign for an entire album, inside one single conversation. I didn't begin this project with a detailed design plan. All I had were my music tracks, an album name, and a stage name that I had chosen for the character. From there, the AI helped build an entire brand world around the music. We created the artist identity, the visual direction, the color palette, the main character, the album artwork, 6 visualizer loops, 3 city-specific tour posters, 2 launch reels, and a complete social media rollout. And all of it was created and coordinated from inside one conversation. So if you're a creator, stop trying to manually edit every single part of your campaign from scratch. You don't need to become a professional designer. You don't need to become a video editor. And you don't need to become a creative agency. You need to become the director. Your role is to define the vision, make the decisions, and guide the process. And right now, one of the best ways to do that is to connect the brain of Claude with the creative production power of Higgsfield. If you want to try this system for your own music, the link to get started is in the first line of the description. Go build something. And if you're brave enough, let me know in the comments. What kind of amazing project are you building? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.